Pampers sa skin and body, makeup tutorial, iba't ibang treats at freebies, at pagpapalinaw at gaan ng isip mula sa stress at mga alalahanin, ilan yan sa mga inihandog ng 7th Infantry Kaugnay Division Philippine Army para sa mga kababaihang sundalo, civilian human resource at dependents sa ginanap na post-Mother's Day celebration.
On this Mother's Day, whether you are a biological mom, stepmom, adopted mom, farm mom, or any other kind of mom, your dedication and sacrifices are truly appreciated.
Tampok sa programa ang pagbabahagi ni Dr. Evangeline Costello ukol sa self-care, partikular ang pangangalaga sa balat at meditation o ang tinatawag niyang Happiness Lab Meditation 101.
Yung nanay na sundalo, parang mas napakahirap yung trabaho talaga.
Si Dr. Costello na may bahay ni 7ID Commander, Major General Andrew Costello ay isang internist, endocrinologist, clinical research physician at isang certified meditation and mindfulness teacher. Nagpasample naman ng basic makeup application ang kinatawa ng Provincial Manpower and Training Center na si Celso Silva para sa mga kutis mestiza at morena.
Maraming salamat po kay Dr. Evangeline Costello at nabigyan kami ng pagkakataon na ma-experience po ang ganitong araw ng pagpapahalaga para sa mga nanay. Makapag-relax po kami at mapamper ang mga sarili namin.
Ikinatuwa ng kabiyak ni Assistant Division Commander Brigadier General Dennis Pasis na si Lisa Pasis ang naging reaksyon ng mga kababaihan ng Kaugnay Division sa kanilang inihandang programa at pinasalamatan ang lahat ng mga nanay na buong puso at buong tapang na ginagampanan ang mahalagang papel sa kani-kanilang pamilya.
We planned this together with the wife of Com7, si Doc Evangeline Costello, with the mind or with the objective that Kaugnay women and Kaugnay ladies, mapa-officer siya, mapa-EP lady, and including the civil human resource personnel, is to make them feel special, especially on Mother's Day. That's why our title is Marvelous Mother's Day. It's because we want to let them feel that they really are marvelous. So I'm glad that the participants who went here in this activity I think they enjoyed each and every moment that happened in this activity. To all Kaugnay women and ladies, 2 thumbs up to all of you for doing a great job being a mother to your children, and God bless you all. That I just pray that every one of you will be truly a marvelous mother to your children.
Umuwing panalo ang lahat ng dumalo sa Marvelous Mother's Day celebration dahil sa siksik na mga kaalaman, oportunidad na mabigyan ng libreng massage, manicure at pedicure, hairstyling, makeup, raffle prizes, gaya ng skincare products, makeup, jewelries, bags, at iba't ibang mga beauty essentials at accessories at photo booth. Nagkaroon din sila ng pagkakataong kumita dahil sa itinayong bazaar kung saan sila nakapagbenta ng pre-love at brand new items at pagkain. Mula dito sa Fort Magsaysay, Palayan City, Nueva Ecija, ako si Alessa Alcantara, ang inyong kaugnay.